everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make corn butter. It's very popular menu at izakaya style restaurant. Very simple, but stupidly delicious and addictive. I'm sure you're going to love this, so you may want to double the batch. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this corn butter, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of canned corn or frozen corn, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. It's really easy and quick, so it's going to be a very short video today. Let's drain canned corn. If you're using frozen corn, just defrost it. Butter, vegetable oil. Vegetable oil prevents butter from burning. Drained corn. Turn the heat on and saute corn until it's caramelized and slightly browned. Medium to medium high heat. Once it's nicely browned here and there, turn the heat to low. Add garlic, soy sauce, and salt and pepper to your taste. Give it a mix. Turn the heat off and it's done. Super easy. Time for the tasting. It's smelling so good. いただきます。Soy sauce and butter, they are like best friend, and hint of garlic on top of that. It can't be bad. So good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Corn butter is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. How about teriyaki chicken sando here? It's bread, but it's carb, so it goes here, and it also covers the main. Kabocha no soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.